Hey guys, welcome back to the Book Crook, and today we have an unboxing. This box is by Create Expectations, a brand new subscription box book club for kids. Now I cannot wait to open up this box, so let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, this month, June 2020, is Magic and Miracles Circus. This is a really cute card, and on the back it shows all of the stuff inside. So, let's get into the unboxing. Oh, first off we have a little bottle with a note inside. Let's see. Okay, so I think I can just, slide that right off. And now we've got this super cool scroll. Okay, so let's read the first part. Ahoy and welcome to Create Expectations. We're excited to have you on board and look forward to sharing some novel adventures. As all first-time explorers do, you might be feeling a bit of trepidation at piloting your maiden voyage. So we put together this guide to help you navigate those book club waters. Oh, so this is, okay, so first, step 1, chart your course. Step 2, meet the crew. Step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. Wow, that is really nice. I love their little logo. And let's move on in the box. This is really nice. Got lots of this little stuff. Oh, we got some animal crackers. I believe that, gather provisions, aka eat snacks. That's step 3. So I guess in each box there will be some snacks. So we've got animal crackers. Let's see what else. There's lots of this wonderful brown paper. Little shredded brown paper. Balanced bird. Try me. Fun for everyone. Oh, so the bird will balance right here on the beak. It's really nice. I guess it's kind of have to do with adventure and sailing in the circus. So that's the second thing in the box. Okay, moving on to the next item in the box. It is a knot tying kit. Wow, that you've got the little instructions right here, and it gives you some rope. That's really nice. Learn to tie 20 essential rope knots. Practice with the included cordage and carabiner. Easy to follow instructions printed on waterproof plastic cards that you can take with you anywhere. That's really nice. So we have a snack, a little toy, and a little kit. Tying knots kit. Okay. So those are our 3 items so far. Now let's see what else is in the box. We have a piece of paper and a pencil, and on the pencil it is written, "The smallest magic can grow." So one of the steps in this book club is to write down parts about the book you love, quotes, and so I'm guessing that is what this piece of paper and pencil are for. That is really neat. Now we have a fortune teller magical fish. So there's a little fish inside that if it moves certain ways, it means different feelings. So it's like a little magic trick. So that is really awesome. And it says on the fish, place the fish in palm of hand. The movements will indicate your fortune. Keep fish in envelope when not in use. So we're going to slide it back in here. That is really neat, and we'll move on through the box. Next up in Create Expectations subscription box is a little book log. That is really neat. So you write down your rating and your favorite quote, and you can stick this little thing inside of the book, sticky with adhesive on the back. It has the name of the book, the author, and the genre. So that is awesome. Definitely have to do that. A Create Expectations adventure guide. Just because a magic is small doesn't mean it's unimportant. So we've got a page about the author, some other cool experiments you can do, a My Buccaneer log. So I'm guessing you fill this out while you're reading it or after you're done. So that is a really cool little guide. And last but not least, the book. Last but not least, Circus Miranda by Cassie Beasley. This is an amazing cover. Even without the paper part, the inside is very well detailed. I love the little cutout. You can see the underside, and man, this is an amazing beginning. I love the little illustration here, and I cannot wait to read and review this book. Now, this is an amazing box. We've got tons of stuff here. From reviewing the book to fun little toys and snacks. I really hope you guys consider maybe getting this for a friend or your own kids. This is just really exciting, and I cannot wait to see what they do next month. Wow, look at all the stuff in this crate, from snacks to fun little fortune teller magic fish, and even the book. I can't wait to read and review Circus Miranda by Cassie Beasley. If you want to learn more about Create Expectations, go to www.mycreateexpectations.com, and you can even sign up for your own subscription box. Now, I hope you guys are having a great day, so keep reading and crafting.